What's up guys, welcome to another product review. In this video we will unbox and review the Power Extra replacement batteries for Canon EOS 70D and see how well these battery performs in the camera, so stay tuned. Welcome back guys. If you haven't met before, my name is Z and I bring you product reviews, especially products related to tech and hacks and tricks for gadgets, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's unbox this product. So the product is packed in quite neat packaging. As we open it, we've got our charging cradle where we can charge two batteries, and I'm sure the battery indicator comes over here. Battery number 1, packed in quite good packaging. That's battery 1, and there is a protective cover on these batteries to protect the points. Okay, so that's our battery 1. Battery number 2. And what else have we got? So we've got a charging cable, an ordinary micro USB. Good thing is you can charge these batteries with this USB cable. That's the good part. So you can charge it with your laptop, your mobile phone charger, or a power bank. Great stuff. What else have we got? A thank you card here. Good. And a cleaning cloth inside. Okay, my micro USB cable is connected with my mobile phone charger, so let's plug this in. As we plug this in, as you can see, power indicator comes on over here and is showing that the battery is charging. I don't know whether you can see on your on the screen right now because it's a bit lit up and bright. So yeah, I can see the battery level going up and it's charging. And another good thing is I've actually tried charging the original battery in this, and it charges the original battery very well. So let's take this charger out. One thing I want to show you is this. So a USB is neatly packed at the back. Another one, an extra. You can use this to connect anywhere quickly if you want. So you've got two options in here. You've got USB cable, plus you've got your micro USB connector to plug any other cable in. So let's take the original battery out and plug the replacement batteries in. That's our original battery out. Now we'll plug these replacement ones. Perfect, fits perfectly fine. Let's switch this on. Perfect. Right. So one video which I did before was on replacement batteries of EOS M3, and the problem we had with that battery was that the battery indicator never showed up on the screen. But in this case, these batteries they do show up, the indicators show up on the screen as well as on this screen over here. As you can see, the battery levels are showing up. Works perfectly fine. So let's take a picture and make a video, see how it works. Okay, let's make a quick video. We've just tested these Power Extra replacement batteries on Canon EOS 70D and they work perfectly fine. Before this I made another video where I tested replacement batteries on Canon EOS M3. I'll put the link in the description for you to check. So anyways, the problem what we had with them replacement batteries was that the power indicator didn't show up on the screen, even though the batteries were working perfectly fine and they were giving good battery time, but the indicator on the screen wouldn't show up for some reason. But in this case our indicator shows up very well and the camera works perfectly fine. I've used these replacement batteries with this camera for a while, like few hours today, and they work perfectly fine without any issues. So I personally do recommend this product because it's giving good output. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope the video was useful. If you like the video, press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.